All right, so we got them replaced. Took like a whole 5 minutes. Not bad. Let's set up. Got the sounds in here. This is old, but they got tucked away. This used to be a seat facing back. I put in batteries on the hydros, but that was the third seat. And it is a real Impala 63. I put the 14s on because I added disc brakes and different rotors, and the 13s wouldn't fit no more. Need to redo the interior. It's really dirty. It's really old. Come see what the motor looked like. She runs though. I've had her for over 10 years. I had her really nice, and then it sat for like 6 years probably. And I just cleaned it a little bit up. I'm actually just gonna probably get rid of it. I'm gonna build a CUDA next. I got a 65 CUDA I want to work on.